Welcome to this installation video for the RailBlazers aluminum railing gate. In this video, we are going to show you just how easy it is to install a gate for our high-quality, durable, and virtually maintenance-free railing system. First, let's take a look at the tools and safety equipment you will need to successfully install the gate. Now let's get started. Measure the opening for the gate and ensure it does not exceed 46 inches. Remove the latch side of the gate, then cut the gate rails 7.5 inches shorter than the gate opening. Secure the gate frame to the top and bottom rails using self-drilling screws. Next, align the top rail of the gate with the handrails, and then mark the position of the holes on the post. Remove the gate and drill 5/32 inch pilot holes into the post. Put the gate back into position and use lag bolts to attach the gate hinges to the post. Next, secure the retainer to the gate frame at the marked position using self-drilling screws. Then insert the latch through the retainer and secure it to the gate frame at the marked position. Finally, mark the location for the latch plate. Then secure it to the post with self-drilling screws. Congratulations on successfully installing your RailBlazers aluminum railing gate. Our gates are available in standard or wide pickets.